Now I want you to open your pupils book on page 81 and start solving with me. When I finish any exercise, you may pause the video and then you solve by yourself. Then reopen the video again and solve, and so on. Okay, let's see now. Exercise 6. It's the last exercise in the page and in this lesson, but we are going to start with, okay, let's see. He is asking me to round to 2 decimal places. Round the numbers to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places means I'm going to have 1, 2, which is here hundreds. So 2 decimal places means hundreds. Let's start here. Circle the number, which is here 5. Look next door. Yes, next door I have 9. It's 5 or more. Yes, so I'm going to add 1 more. Okay. Now numbers on the right, 0 is the same, so I'm going to ignore them all, and numbers on the left just stay the same. So now I will write 2.1, and here 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so this is the answer for A. Let's go for B. Circle the number, which is the second decimal place here. Circle the number. Look next door. Here I have 6. 5 or more. Yes, 5 or more. So I'm going to add 1 more. Okay. Numbers here. I will just ignore. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So the number will be 0.5. And here 1 and 1, 2. Okay. Let's see C. Circle the number, second decimal place. Look next door. 5 or more? No, it's not 5 or more. 4 or less? Yes, so just ignore. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So I am going to write the number now, 6.78. That's the number. Let's see D here. Circle the number. Second decimal place. Look next door. I have 5. 5 or more. Yes. Add 1 more. Okay. Now, numbers on the right, 0 is the same. So they are going to be zeros. Ignore them. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So now let's write the number 1.9. And here I have 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. So this is the number. Let's see E. Circle the number. Look next door. 5 or more. Yes, add 1 more. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So I will write the number now, 4.6. And here 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is the number. Now the last one, F. Circle the number. Look next door. 5 or more. Yes, add 1 more. Okay. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same, so they are going to be nothing, zeros. Now, like zeros, so I'm going to ignore. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So let's write the number now, 8.9. And 9 plus 1 here is 10. So how can I write this? Let's see. I cannot put more than 1 digit in every place. So I'll put 0. Take the 1 with me up. 9 plus 1 is what? Is 10. So I put 0 here also. And take the 1 with me for the next place. 8 plus 1 is 9. That's what will happen for the number. This became 9. And here this became 0 and 0. This is the special case that I want you to concentrate when you find. Once you find 9s, you realize that you are going to change the next place to this number, okay? Because 9, when it grow and take 1 more, it will be 10, and we cannot put more than 1 digit in the place. So we are not going to put 10 here. We only put the 0 and take the 1 up with us to the previous place. That's what happened here. We took the 1 from this place and go to this place. Then we took another time the 1 and go to the next place. That's why we changed all these digits and it became 9.00. Okay, let's see next. Now we are still on page 81, but we are in exercise 4. Now he's asking me to round the decimals to 1 decimal place. Okay, let's erase this. 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place means the next place after the point. So here this is the place. I'm going to circle the number. Look next door, 5 or more, yes. So I will add 1 more. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same, they are nothing. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So let's write the number. 5.2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, let's see B here. Circle the number. So I'm going to circle the number. Look next door. 5 or more, no. 4 or less, yes. Just ignore. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. Now let's write the number. 4.8. That's all, okay? 1 decimal place. And here I have 1 decimal place. Okay, let's see next. C, 12.15. Now let's see. Circle the number. Look next door. 5 or more, yes. Add 1 more. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. Let's write now. 12.1 plus 1 is 2. And that's it. 1 decimal place. Let's see D. Circle the number. Look next door. 5 or more, no. 4 or less, yes. Just ignore. Numbers on the right, 0 the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So let's write now 15.0. That's all. It's actually 0 from the beginning. Now let's see. E. Circle the number. Look next door. 5 or more, yes. Add 1 more. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Nothing. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So let's write now 3.4 plus 1 is 5. And that's all. Let's see F. Circle the number. Look next door. 5 or more, yes. Add 1 more. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. Now let's write the number. 9.9 plus 1 is 10. Remember, this is the case when we concentrate, because here I'm going to have what? Here I'm going to have 0 and take the 1 up with me, and this will be what? 9 plus 1 also is going to be 10. So I put the 0 and take the 1 to the 10th place. I have nothing in the 10th place, so the 1 will be alone in the 10th place. So this is the number I'm going to have here. Okay, let's see next. Still on page 81, but on exercise 2. Okay, now I'm asked to round the numbers or round the decimals to the nearest whole numbers. Round these decimals to the nearest whole number. Whole number, first here, 0. Circle the number. Circle it. Look next door. 5 or more, yes. Add 1 more. Okay, numbers on the right, 0 the same. Numbers on the left just stays the same. So I will write now. I have nothing on the left, so I will write only the digit which I have, which is here 1. Nothing else. Okay. Let's see B. Circle the number. Look next door. 5 or more, no. 4 or less, yes. So I'm going to ignore. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So let's write here it will be 4. That's all. Now 4.5. Circle the number, the first whole number. Look next door. 5 or more, yes. So add 1 more. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So I will write 4 plus 1, 5. That's all. Let's see D. 23.04. What's the first whole number here placed? Here, this one. I'm going to circle this, okay? This is the first. Be careful, okay? Don't circle this. Look next door. 5 or more? No. 4 or less? Yes. Just ignore. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So I will write the number now. It will be 23. Okay. Now let's see E. Circle the number 9. Remember, always when we have 9, we got to concentrate. Numbers on the right, 5 or more? No. 4 or less? Yes. Just ignore. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. So I have nothing on the left. This will be 9. Okay, nothing will change. Let's see the next F. Circle the number. Remember, the first whole number here I have, which is ones, in the ones place. Okay, remember this. Look next door. 5 or more? No. Yes, 5 or more. So add one more. Numbers on the right, 0 is the same. Numbers on the left just stay the same. Okay, now let's write the number. Be careful. What do we have here? It's 9. Remember, once I find 9, I concentrate, because if I have one more, I will change many things here. Okay, here 9 plus 1 will be what? It will be 10. So when I write, I'll put 0 and take the 1 up with me here. 9 plus 1 also is what? Is 10. So I will put 0 again and take the 1 with me for the hundredths place. Nothing in the hundredths place, so it will be alone here. The number will be 100. As I told you, 99, when it grow with one more, it will be 100. Okay, so just concentrate. Once you find 9s, you take care. Okay, now this is the last for these exercises.